How to delete all check-ins on Facebook. So go to Facebook, go to the menu at the bottom right-hand corner, and scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy, and go ahead and click Settings. From here, you want to scroll down until you see Your Activity, and go ahead and click on Activity Log. Stay at the top and click Activity History. Once this loads up, you want to go to Filters and go to Categories, and then go ahead and click on Your Facebook Activity. A lot of stuff will come up, and you want to stay where it says Posts and go ahead to where it says Check-ins. And then from here, what you can do is go ahead and manually go through and hit these selected dots and go to Move to Trash. So I'm just going to pick something here and go ahead and move it to Trash, and it will ask you to confirm. You go ahead and select Move to Trash, and that's it.